Welcome to Prestify tutorial. Now easily migrate all your Prestashop e-commerce data to Shopify in 3 simple steps. Install the app and input your Prestashop store details for verification. To start the migration process, simply click on the Launch Migration button. This action will immediately redirect you to the migration page. Here, choose your preferred way to migrate. Either through Prestashop Web Services or the Prestashop plugin, please read the instructions carefully when selecting the migration method. Then enter your Prestashop credentials, including the Prestashop URL and passkey. Once this information is entered, click on a Verify and connect to proceed. Select the data like products, orders, customers, or categories which you want to move to Shopify. Review instructions, click OK Understand, and if needed, add extra features like URL redirection. Once done, your migration will be completed in minutes and you'll have your new Shopify store ready to go.